Everyone in this world is busy thinking of wealth, honor, dharma, race, and wars. It is the poor youngster that still feel that the world revolves around love. Alright, are you wondering why I am talking about love? Let me explain. The hero in our movie is confused in Bangalore while his girlfriend is getting married here. Now, what he will do? Did he going to stop the marriage or thinking of marrying the same girl? Let's go. Do you also want to hear this love story? Let's watch.
Guys only introduce to you good things. Girls introduce you to hell.
Wow.
But we only realize it when they enter our lives. And to forget them.
Dude, don't feel bad.
Hey, did I tell you that I am feeling bad? Did I tell you that I am feeling bad?
Hey, you don't have to state what is obvious. Do you understand? I am your friend, bro.
Yes, you are my friend.
Yeah.
But your guess is wrong.
What?
Chill, bro. I am alright.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Miracle.
Once a girl enters your life, all you are left with are tears, brother.
When heart drink auntie, when beer drink beauty, all of is common, bro.
Your mother shows you love. Your father shows you
Correct.
the world. Friends show you what happiness. But you know, a girl takes you to hell, bro.
Oh, no. We all know what next. Don't tell.
That's right.
Yes.
From now on, there is no girls in my life.
No, Macha. From this moment, there is no girls in your life. Why, bro?
Not just mine, our lives. Repeat again.
In our life. You drunk and making statement, and this girl had to call now. Must be careful. Hello, Priya.
Hello,
Who is it?
Nothing. Tell me, Priya.
Bantu, did you eat?
This feel is so good. I'm just eating, baby.
Who is it? Priya? What's she telling?
She just want to know I ate or not.
Why does she need to know? First break up with her.
She's way out of my league, bro. Don't ruin it for me, please.
Hey, don't give me reasons. Tell her you want to break up.
Hello, Priya.
Are you doing it or not?
Hey, why are you calling me? Why does it matter if I ate or not? Huh?
Why Bantu you are talking like this?
Hey, if you call me one more time, baby, I will chop your hair. This love, that love, all
Hey,
love,
what
full
happened to you?
love,
Why you are talking like
breakup.
this, rubbish?
I don't like love.
You're drunken and talking all
but
this
I like
rubbish.
love.
I don't want to
You
talk to
my
you only.
friend
Get
for
out
me.
from my life. Goodbye. Let's break up. Don't ever call me only. Bye.
Don't you worry.
She also gone. We're also finished.
If I have alcohol, I need nothing else. Come, let's go. Come, bro.
Something, bro.
Come. Come.
I lost the girl. Let me wear my shoe at least.
You
Let's
don't
go.
worry. Okay. No girls, okay?
For me
Only
also, man.
alcohol. Hey,
I drank,
hey,
bro.
dude, we should not be driving drunk. It's illegal, okay?
You are so drunk, man. Where is the door? There is the door. You drive, bro. I fully drunk.
Dude, put some music.
Hey, press the button there. Help yourself, man. Not the one on my shirt. The play button. I'm drunk, man. हम नहीं दोस्ती छोड़ेंगे हम समा दोस्ती हम Hey, who is texting now? Disturbance. Throw it out.
Bro, after all these days of being quiet, she has the audacity to invite me to her wedding?
Don't we have any shame or self-respect?
Of course we have.
Ah.
You on the music. Okay.
Oh, it says you must attend the wedding for sure. She thinks we will go if she texts repeatedly.
Exactly.
I know.
But then if she is still texting me, don't you think she is in still love with me?
No, it should not change.
It's not it girls who brighten our gloomy lives, okay?
Oh, you changed. It's correct, bro. That biryani smell and the woman touch, unforgettable, bro. Hey, have you changed the route already? Okay, go. That's what I want. Next we should go for our love. Some drunken coming towards, bro. Hey.
Look at him.
There is no one, man. But I see him somewhere. Where is he? Something fishy. You take the car. Drive. Hey,
Who are you,
bro?
man? Questioning at home, questioning outside, questioning at the bar, questioning everywhere. Questions. Please don't question me, yaar. That's okay. Then where are we going?
Just now you said don't ask questions.
I told you not to questioning me. I didn't say I won't ask you.
He's very clever.
Look here. There is a beer bottle in the dashboard. Give it to me. Give it to me, ma.
He's the dog. He's smelling the beer bottle.
Beautiful. Be there for some time. Now you tell me, bro. Where are we going?
To his wedding.
Wedding? But he is not dressed like a groom.
Yes, you are right.
Ting!
How is it?
you are the groom, alright. But what about you?
Actually, my lover is also there.
Oh, really? Ting! Oh. Look at this. Brother, now you tell me, is it love marriage or arranged marriage?
Stop. That is fine. Why are you dressing like this? Huh?
Hey, if a poor sibling like you can get a girl. Why wouldn't a smart guy like me find someone?
Who is that smart?
That is love story.
Love story. Oh, super. Brother, please tell me your love story. In your love story, I will pick the best character suit for me and give it my best shot.
In 1990s, there.
This is me. Look at me.
How is school, my boy?
Ugly as you.
Yeah, I see. Is it?
Yes.
Why?
No pretty girls in the class.
Huh? And in this age onwards, you want girlfriend?
Yes, you wouldn't understand my feelings.
Hi.
You are at my age. We won't make a pair.
You're just like your father.
That's why I am hitting on your daughter.
Don't you dare looking at my daughter.
Auntie,
Auntie.
see how I will impress your daughter. Look at me, how I am going to impress her.
Stop. Oh my god. Brother, don't tell flashback from milk drinking age. Please tell it from the beer drinking age.
Hey, he looks like silent,
Oh.
but his flashback is violent.
Is it? Brother, what next?
Huh? Is this what your father watches every day? If it is this good, even your father might watch it.
What are you doing in a closed room?
Hey, go and open the door. I will off the TV.
Oh,
I am escaped.
what is these guys doing in the room? Hey, stop.
I am also escaped.
Huh? Oh, Oh my god! Rama.
Hey, that is not Rama. Kama.
Brother, we don't want U certificate. We don't want a certificate either. We want a U by A certificate, brother.
Yeah, that's right.
How are you, man?
I would be lying now if I said I'm well. Hope you understand. I think I should say I'm just alive. That's it.
Hey, why are you talking like this, man? Look here, you have me. You just forget everything. Your father has created a new world just for you. And look at you, what you have become. Live it, man. Everything falls in love. It doesn't mean you should ruin your life. Cheer up, man. Yeah.
Once lost in love, nothing can win back, you know.
Hey man, just stop it right now. I'm waiting for you more time. You are making me regret waiting for you. Talking like Devadas. Leave it, man. Do you know how much I missed you? If you count daily 2 bottles, we have 1996 bottles pending until now. We have to tally everything. Let's go. Enjoy, man. Hey bro, why don't you go for a swim? Just refresh your body, mind, everything, man.
Okay, dude. Hello.
Hi, Krish. I did everything you told me.
Okay, thanks.
Why? Why are you doing like this as a worker? Huh? Why are you doing like this?
To forget a few things. It's good to be around new peoples.
Bro, it was a very quick command for a king to be discussed as a commoner. That is duty. Just for the one thing, what is the fate to go for that office? Just think about that. Huh? At least think about me, man. I can even book 2 tickets to Bangkok.
Hey, stop talking nonsense.
You really don't know how to enjoy life and move on everything. Get ready fast. If you go Bangkok, you will forget everything. These photos are not too much hot. I tell to make another photos. Aha! So you are ready, right? Ah. Ah. In college, temples and bus stops, I don't know what a girl is looking at. But we are obviously looking at the girls. Isn't it, bro? Hey, Anu! I can't say where you find beauty in the world, Machan. But our eyes surely know where to spot it, isn't it?
When she was away, once feels empty inside, brother.
Oh God. Just leave. Come on. Hopeless Romeo.
Hobbies?
Hobbies?
What else? Coming to office in the morning for the woman and in the nights drinking to forget them and making plans all night to make them fall in love. But they don't. As usual life. Routine life.
Bro,
Sorry bro. She's asked for your hobbies. Carry on.
Shall we start?
yes.
Sit. Bro, she is the beautiful woman who stole my little heart in dream.
Do you have a heart, bro?
Correct, boss. He doesn't have a heart.
Hey,
Hi, I'm Priya.
Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
Maharishi.
oh, my plan of making fun of them backfired on me. Bro, you can ask me if you have any doubts. I will teach you for him. How is it?
You only don't know, then how can you teach us?
Hello, I know everything. I am not getting chance.
Really? Okay, then spell the spelling of algorithm.
That is very simple. Do you want Max algorithm or C language algorithm?
Both are same spelling. Tell to her.
Really? Okay. I think time is not good. I'm taking U-turn and going.
Oh God.
Take it, baby. It is an energy drink.
No, I don't want.
Hey, those in the bottom need to be stronger than the ones
told
on
you
the
I
top.
don't want.
Drink it, baby. Mad girl.
Krish, here.
Hey, Grish.
Hey Krish, what's wrong?
Hey, bro.
Hey, what happened?
It's okay. You eat. Huh? Hi, dude.
Hi.
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 All right. How come your bosses and our bosses are not came here?
Oh, Dhamma. It is on him today. I think they
Oh.
may get late.
എന്ത് ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നമ്മ രണ്ടുപേരും ഇറുക്കി അണച്ച് ഒരു ഉമ്മ തരണം
Hey, you speak Malayalam.
ഇല്ല കുട്ടി ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ മലയാളം I just watch a lot of Malayalam films on mute. But bro, I would fantasize Sheila in the bathroom and sang to it.
Hi.
Hi.
Have it. It's a festival today.
Oh, we know it everything before itself. You will go for party or otherwise you will go home.
Hey, Fatih. Why do you always think of food?
We know everything, baby. But nobody supporting for me. Would you support, please? Make me consider.
Hello, bro. What? Really? Where are you? Okay, stay there. I'm coming.
What? What happened?
My girlfriend is getting engaged. I have to go.
Hey, don't just eat. Get some food for us.
Hey, just shut up.
Okay.
Feel the seriousness.
Here also omelette. In bar also they are making omelette. I can eat this, but I can't eat bar omelette. La 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 la. Omelette ready. Mwah. Aha, chill beer. Ah, it smells so good. La 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 la. Omelette ready. Yeah. Ah, what a climate.
Weather is good, right?
Ah,
That's the thing. Our senior people said you have to born in Karnataka.
correct. Let me tell you one thing. If you are drinking, drink from home.
Phew,
Yeah. What's wrong in that?
you will never change.
I will never ever change. Huh? Who is calling this time? Hey, Maharishi. Why is he calling now? Hey, dude, tell me. Mom? Okay, Mom. I'm coming.
What happened?
Maharishi attempted suicide, bro. Come, let's go.
Let's go.
Stop here. Mom? What happened, Mom?
See what he has done.
Mom, don't worry, please. We will talk to him.
Please speak and put some sense into him. Tell him not to do it again. I can't live without him.
Don't worry, Mom. God is there. We will speak to him. Where is he?
He's upstairs.
Don't worry, Mom. We will take care. Okay?
Don't cry, auntie.
Yeah, go. Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
Hey, I'm asking you, what happened?
That Aisha.
What's wrong with her?
Nothing. Her marriage got fixed. I went to talk to her parents, but they refused.
Then?
They beat me up. For me, it's up that okay. But they meet Aisha too
When is she getting married?
in just 3 days.
So, what do you want to do now?
Then what else? I want to die.
Why do you people become so weak in the times like this? What's wrong with you? Look, if you are seriously in love with her, don't bother about anyone. Take care of her, okay? But your love should be sincere. Do you understand? Let's go.
Hey, jump slowly, man.
Don't make noise.
Idiot.
Chinu, did you came to encourage me? You hold my hand or else I will... Okay, top or bottom?
What are you doing? Be silent and come.
How to just say it instead of hitting me? She was about to shut me down permanently. We are yet to have kids together.
You come with me. Hey, you go that side.
Okay.
Priya, come with me. Okay.
Okay.
Oh God, this is the right place for my present condition. Allah, thought you are not my family deity. I am still praying you. Bless me that I lose my virginity today. Allah.
Hey, wait for some more time. Wait for a minute. Sure, you're always in a hurry.
Shut up, man. There is some insects there. They are making so much sound. Hey, Priya, where are you? Priya, where are you?
Hey, one.
Leave me.
Hey,
Wait,
please,
leave
one
me for a minute.
Oh, please go later.
Oh, I'll go to the washroom and come.
Come, you go later. Huh? Hey,
And I'm
listen,
back
hey,
soon.
please don't go. Hey,
Come fast, Priya. It's so hot here. I'm so scared here. Priya. Priya is coming. Let me play kabaddi today. Hi. I'm waiting for a long time.
I told
Where
you
you
I'll
went,
come
Priya?
back now. Always you're in a hurry.
Priya, what is this, Priya? Morning is tennis ball. Now it seems like football. I can't hug you, Priya.
But
Oh. Priya.
why are you calling me Priya?
I didn't take anything.
Hey, who are you all? How dare you come to my house and taking my daughter? Hey, beat them all. Hey! Come on,
Hey, just wait.
Hey, wait.
Hey, I beat them up so that you should not think that way, right? That's why I beat you. Just give me 2 minutes. I will try to convince you. If you are not convinced, then we will start the fighting, okay? Sir, listen. If you are watching love scenes in cinema, you are enjoying that. If the same thing done by your kids, why you are trying to kill them? What's wrong with love? Thinking our parents will value our likings. Everyone falls in love, sir. You are an elder person. You thinking that caste and religion are important, sir? Tell me please, sir.
I wish to give her the best since she was a kid, in all occasions. In marriage, I want to give her a good groom. Is it wrong? You tell?
Sir, there is nothing wrong in giving the best to her. She may be happy with the good groom you have selected, but if you get her married to the person she loves, she will live happily forever. Please think about it, sir. For parents, there is nothing better than their kids' happiness, sir.
Daddy.
Daughter, you forgive me, child. Thanks, Krish. This wedding won't happen because of you. Thanks for your help. Thanks, bro.
Is it your lover?
My mother India. How about you?
Ah,
Who is she? Hey, Krish!
Hey, what are you seeing?
Nothing?
Okay, give it to me. Hey,
that is nothing.
Good. I
told you.
Give it. Oh, Krisha, I'll tell him right away that you love him.
You don't tell him anything. I will tell him tomorrow morning.
You may take time when your eyes like something, not when a heart likes something. Even when you have time to tell, they won't listen.
Hi. Okay. Where is Anu?
Anu is gone to propose Krish.
Propose? Huh. 2K kids are going for marriage. Kids, everything. We are waste.
What?
Nothing.
Auntie.
Hey, whom are you calling auntie?
Hey, Anu's mom has come.
What?
Oh, good.
Come, let's go.
Mom, what are you doing here? Mom, please, Mom. Mom,
Just come with
please
me.
leave my hand. Mom, please.
Have you forgotten that you're engaged?
Mom,
What has happened to you?
please, Mom. Mom, please. Wait
Anu,
for a second, please.
Just come with me.
Mom. Please, Mom.
Come, Anu, come.
I won't. Krish. After I lost my father, my mom took care of me like a father and mother. Friends, party. This was my lifestyle. I was free like a kite, with no thread tied to it. My mom had never asked me anything, but said my life would be good if I get married to that guy. I couldn't say no. But now, my heart is not in my control. Whatever happens, I should tell Krish about my feelings. If not, I won't be able to tell that forever. Leave me, Mom.
Hey, Anu!
I love you, Krishna. I love you. In this world, I think only love has the power to overcome the love of parents. I lived my whole life with my mother as my world. But now, I can't imagine a world without you. I don't know why I found you. I don't even know what you did. When you are close to me, there is nothing I want. And you have become very close to my heart. If I don't tell my love today, I won't be able to tell it forever. I love you.
Anu, sorry. Not only today, but we can never be together.
Anu,
Come with me.
Not only today, but we can never be together.
Anu, you could have loved anyone in this world. But the person you are in love with is not the right guy. Because when I was the principal in Mangalore College, Krishna and Preeti. Can you get me a coffee?
Here, madam.
Thank you. Give me some water
Sure,
too.
madam, I will. Take it, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Saroja. Please sit down.
It's okay, ma'am. See, ma'am, Krishna has given me a love letter.
Krishna gave you?
My dear Saroja madam, your eyes are 1 rupee coin, nose is ice cream cone, your cheeks are bun. You love me without telling a word. Without you, my life is empty. If I get you, I will be jolly. Looking at you hip while walking, my heart is shaking. You say yes to my love and give a sign. If not, I will find the God, okay? What I am trying to say is, I want you completely. If you not accept my love, confirm strike. I love you, Saroja. Don't leave me alone.
Don't leave me alone. Yours lovingly, Krish.
What, madam? Why you are laughing?
Sorry.
Madam, look at this.
What is this? Love letter?
Oh, did you also know this?
Yeah. Give it to me. Let me read it.
This letter is written by Preeti. If you read this, you will committing suicide.
Okay.
Madam, can you read this letter, madam?
Madam,
Madam, please, madam.
No.
Madam, please.
Madam.
Madam,
Madam, can you read this?
Madam,
Madam, this.
please.
Madam, please.
Madam, can you read
See
this, madam?
one.
Madam, please reply, madam.
much.
Madam, please.
Okay, enough. Let's suspend him. Please go to your classes.
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
April Fool! Hey! Ooh! Hey! Hey! Ooh! Hey! Hey! April Fool! Ooh! Hey! Hey!
Quick, fast! Hey, give me your! Hey, come on!
Hey, idiot! Come and play with us. What are you doing
Hey, do you
there?
think I'm jobless? Work is important to me.
Hey, come on, yaar.
Hey, woman!
Hey, throw it here.
Madam, try me, madam. Try me.
What?
I mean, not me. Hotel, food, hotel, order.
What is special in your restaurant?
Sorry,
What are the special items in your restaurant?
I'm not able to understand what she is telling. I think she is asking what is special in hotel. This is, madam, our hotel in tomato chutney is very good. Chapati also very good. Veg roll, onion roll in your
Oh.
country. Yes, madam.
Get me 2 veg rolls.
2 veg roll. Instead of veg roll, I will give bhaji and I will roll with her in beach. She is so weight. I will adjust her. You idiots! I was impressing a foreigner with a great difficulties. You came and spoiling everything. Go to hell. Rowdy is staring at me. I want to put sand in mouth, but I put it in eyes. Back to work. 2 veg rolls.
Baby? Let me check.
Don't kiss. Hey, she did not kiss, man. She just removed the dust.
Is it? Didn't she kiss you?
Oh, thu.
Listen, brother. I didn't find a single girl, but you have 2 love stories.
Hey, are you feeling bad for not being in love? Or is it that you are jealous because he has 2 girls?
Brother, look there.
Where?
No, look there. Brother, there it says Mangalore is 110 kilometer. Here it says Kerala is 130 kilometer, and the spelling is also wrong. Now we are going to Mangalore or Kerala. Tell me, brother. Oh,
What now?
It's very urgent, brother, but it's okay. You tell me where are we going right now? Tell me, brother.
It's
It is
urgent even for us. Let's go.
Okay.
You can control anything. You can't store 500 ml inside the stomach. Brother, are we going to Mangalore or Kerala? Huh? What
What are you looking at?
Even
You can go now.